playful turtle.
In the pond where the lilies sway, three little turtles come out to play. Their tiny shells and a cheerful grin, they poke their heads out ready to swim. Splash, 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 they say with glee, wiggling their tails so happily. In the pond, come and see, the curious little turtles just for you and me. One little turtle spots a frog, leaping around on a sunny log. With a hop and a splash, they join the fun, swimming together, oh what a run. Splash, 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 they say with glee, wiggling their tails so happily. In the pond, come and see, the curious little turtles just for you and me. Now two little turtles glide, side by side, exploring the pond with joy and pride. They dive and twirl, what a sight, playing together in the warm sunlight. Splash, 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 they say with glee, wiggling their tails so happily. In the pond, come and see, the curious little turtles just for you and me. Three little turtles rest on a stone, tired from playing but never alone. With soft little hums they drift away, dreaming of adventures for another day. Splash, 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 they say with glee, wiggling their tails so happily. In the pond, come and see, the curious little turtles just for you and me.